This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kiwi wine. Begin by washing and peeling kiwis, then mash fruit and measure sugar, water, and yeast specifically for a 1-gallon batch. Sanitize all equipment thoroughly to prevent contamination. Heat water to dissolve sugar, but avoid boiling the fruit to preserve aroma. Cool the must to room temperature before pitching yeast for reliable fermentation. After pitching yeast, stir the must gently and cover with an airlock to let CO2 escape. Check gravity readings daily to monitor progress and note when activity slows significantly. Rack the wine into a secondary carboy to separate it from sediment and reduce oxidation risk. Taste occasionally and adjust sweetness or acidity cautiously to preserve natural kiwi character and balance in the finished wine. Once fermentation is complete and the wine has cleared, consider aging for 3 to 6 months for improved complexity and smoother texture. Use fining agents or cold stabilization if clarity is a priority, and ensure sulfite levels are balanced to protect wine without masking fruit. When bottling, sanitize bottles and leave minimal headspace to reduce oxidation. Label bottles with dates and sugar adjustments for future reference and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.